Joining us today is Michael Shaulov, co-founder and CEO of Fireblocks, a leader in digital asset infrastructure. We're diving into how Fireblocks is powering and innovating the blockchain space, meeting the growing demands of the digital asset industry, and positioning itself at the forefront of digital asset security. But we're also going to be discussing how Fireblocks is approaching and navigating through the evolving regulatory landscape and its role in the broader adoption of digital assets by traditional financial institutions. Only on Taking Stock.
I would say, like, from the inception of Fireblocks, our bread and butter was working with a startup and basically taking them, I would say, from the inception, from the really seed of their idea to all the way to growth and hopefully one day through IPO. Basically, what we provide them right now is a very cost-effective and robust package on which they can build their entire infrastructure, wallet management, settlement, all the financial operations, and they can start very small and very secure, and basically continue and grow with it and become eventually, hopefully, like really big companies like Revolut and Nubank and other companies that are using us for tens and hundreds of millions of users.
What are some key innovations that Fireblocks is focusing on to make sure you remain a leader in the digital asset space?
We continue to innovate in the area of the wallet and the custody space that we see. So this is it's an area that continues to expand and evolve with crypto. Some of the recent releases that we've done is a software development kit that allows fintech and Web3 companies to safekeep the assets of their clients in a non-custodial fashion, and they're able to do it at scale. We're also working on some innovation in the area of on-chain identity. So basically allow programmable compliance to come into various tokenized assets like money market funds, securities, stock, and so on.
What role do you envision Fireblocks playing when it comes to the implementation of digital assets for traditional financial institutions?
The way that we see things is that as there is more regulatory clarity and more traditional players are coming into market, we'll be able to support them through the infrastructure that they need. So starting from the custody layer of how to safekeep the assets, but also everything around tokenization. Probably a big initiative for everybody will be to adopt stable coins for payments. We will probably see banks coming in, fintech companies coming in, so we have tokenization capabilities that they can issue stable coins in a very streamlined way. And then also various secondary and primary issuance of securities that can be streamlined through digital assets. It's also an area that we are quite active in.
Well, thank you so much for joining me on Taking Stock.
Thank you so much for having me.